This is the Drops in the Bucket, Book 1, Lesson 3, and in this one we're going to correct. So please have either your green correcting pencil or a green color pencil ready to go. And remember, please don't erase anything. Just add to what you've done, but don't scribble out or erase anything like that. I want to be able to see what you did. All right, so we're going to look at number 1 here. Number 1, the question, remember, was how many more kids came by bus than by car. So we're comparing these two numbers, 10 and 13. And remember, when we compare, we really are finding the difference, which means we are subtracting. So 3 is our answer. 3 more kids came by bus than by car. All right. So number 2 here, let's see. How many dollars do we see? I see $1, and then I see 5 10. I see 10 cents. So altogether, it looks like $1 and 10 cents. That decimal point is the word and. $1 and 10 cents. So in math, that decimal point, you say and. All right, so number 3, that is made out of course, it's made out of circles. Number 4, which is 5 cents, it's, of course, B. Number 5 here, shade 2/3 of each shape. So it doesn't really matter which thirds. I like to always put them kind of together. But as long as you're shading 2 out of any of the 3. And that's all you needed to do. All right, so number 6, 0 plus 0 is 0. And 8 plus 8 is 16. All right, the next one over. We can't take 7 away from 2, right? So we need to borrow. I'm going to see if I can erase that arrow. Can I do it? Go away. Very good. Good. I'm going to erase this one too. Okay, so we need to borrow. We need to go next door. And so instead of 9, we're going to have 8. And now instead of 2, we're going to have 12. So we have more than enough now. So 12 take away 7 is 5. That 8 now does not change, and the 1 doesn't change. So the same thing on the next one. See if I can erase that. Okay, so 2, on this one I don't need to borrow at all. So 2 take away 1 is 1, 5 take away 3 is 2, 7 take away 5 is also, oops, I was going to write 5 again. Really, I needed to write 2. So 221. All right, number 7. We baked 60 cookies and we ate 16 of them. So we started with 60 and then we took away 16 to gobble them up. How many are left? So we have to regroup here. We have to go and borrow. So now 10 take away 6 is 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write it down here. And 5 take away 1 is 4. So we have 44 cookies left. 44 cookies left. All right, number 8, 10 o'clock at night is PM, past the middle of the day. That's what kind of it stands for. And then 10 o'clock. And then the o'clock, right, I always like to start with my minute hand, goes all the way up, touches the outside. And then that 10 is going to point directly at the 10. Draw a little arrow, something like that, 10 o'clock. All right, number 9. So I'm going to just go pretty quickly. 14, 3, 3, 8, 5, 6, 15, 5, 14. And then the number 10 here, last one, number 10. So here's 1 inch, here's 2 inches, and 3 inches. It is exactly 3 IN, period. That's the abbreviation for inches long. All right, good job.